She ain't hit me not once. I'm literally on top of the bed. Boom, 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 boom. What's good, YouTube? It's your KaayLion back with another motherfucking video, and I'm gonna tell y'all my most recent fight. Let's clock this tea. So one day, this was like I think not 2020. It was in 2022. It was in 22. Okay, cool. One day I woke up in the morning, and then it was like a text. Like,
hey, you trying to come to an open gym?
I'm like, cool, cause y'all know like I play basketball. Yeah, I ain't know, now you know. So she asked me, oh, you come to open gym? Next thing you know, I'm like, okay, cool. I pull up to the gym. She told me 7 o'clock. Ain't nobody there. Cool. It's 7:30 come around. Now people start rolling in. My old coach, he divided the teams up, and we just playing like 5-on-5 type shit. Yeah, I kid you not, I did not do a thing. Bruh, I did not.
Nothing. Me?
I do a thing to this girl. I promise you. So we playing. When you playing 5-on-5 open gym, like I guess shit start getting a little hectic. You know what I'm saying? So, and that's what happened.
Shit started getting hectic.
So the girl, we're gonna name her Coca-Cola. Cool. So Coca-Cola, like for some reason, she just started going heavy on me. Like she just started going like, she just start ODing. Like we playing in the college game. Like we playing in the championship. Like she just ODing on me. So then I'm like, huh? I'm like, where the fuck this shit come from? What the fuck? It was like this little white girl on her team, right? I guess she like did a little crossover, did a layup. Nothing major. Nothing major. You know what I'm saying? Nothing major. She ain't do too much. And she got to the basket. Now Coca-Cola just talking all that shit like, yeah, you did it. I'm like, hold up. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Who you think you're talking to? You ain't talking to me. Yeah, you're not talking to me. Let's get that straight. So yeah, we start going back up in the court. We start going up and down, and it's like she just like each up and down, she start getting more feistier and more feistier. So then it's like it gets to a point I didn't have this shit.
Bitch, don't bother me. I hold grudges.
I'm done fucking with the shit. So I said like she hit a little jumper. Okay, cool. I'm like, do that shit in a college game. Yeah, that won't hurt. I'm assuming that won't hurt, because if you look at her them stats, baby. If you look at them stats, and I'm not trying to be rude or nothing, but it's just like you can't come for somebody and think they not gonna come back and demolish your ass. Like, what? You started with me, now I'm gonna finish with you. Period.
Clock it.
So she hit a little jumper. I'm like, okay, cool. Do that in the college game. She like, what? This sound like, yeah. And so we still going back and forth. And we get back to the Argo or whatever, and I'm posting up. And like she just keep pushing, like she started pushing and shoving me and this and that. I'm like, what the fuck, bro? Like she started pushing me, and I'm like, what the fuck? So I pushed her ass back, simple as that. So then after we done like bumping each other, she behind me, y'all. She is literally behind me. She behind me, and she gonna try to square up. Look, y'all, I see her in my peripheral vision. Like it was literally like this.
Talking about this.
I saw it just like that. And she gonna come up and square up with
Batty shot o'clock. Don't get caught.
You always quick to do batty shot o'clock, bitch.
me. I'm like, what the fuck, bro? Like this hoe tripping, bro. This hoe is tripping. So she square up with me. Then I don't know. I don't remember getting hit. No Tino shade. I don't remember getting hit, but she was squaring up. They say no, my wig is done. She pulled my wig off. I grabbed her fucking pink locks. Grab it like that. Mind you, I ain't no fighter. I'm a lover, not a fighter. You know what I'm saying? But if you want your ones, come here. Yeah, come here.
Come here. Yeah, come here. Yeah.
Come here. So I grabbed her pink. I grabbed her pink dreads, right? And it's like I twisted, like I flipped her. I I flipped her like low key. I flipped her. Boom. I grabbed her. She on the floor. I grabbed her with my other hand. Locks, and I just started yanking her like, what the fuck you messing with me for, bitch?
This fade, bitch, come and get it. The fuck? Like I said, I ain't on you bitches' team.
Cool. So I'm on the ground. I'm on top of her. It's not no way you like. Mind you, y'all, she ended up pulling my hair. Like, it was just like, she pulled one braid. Like, mind you, the wig is off, so you have nothing to pull. I'm pulling, I'm like, what the fuck, bitch? I'm like, I'm not even hearing her. I'm just shaking. I'm just like literally banging her head against the floor. And that's it. So then, my coach come up. My coach come. He break the fight up. And they like, let her hair go. Let her hair go.
Baby, come through. You deserve rounds tonight.
Let her hair go, everybody, right? Let her hair go, let her hair go. I'm like, no. Like, what? You started with me and y'all, I'm like,
Let her go. Let her go. Let her go, baby. Let her go.
I got that shit. Anyways, I got her hair. He break it up, he break it up. Cool, my wig is all the way off, y'all. Wig kept it all just gone. Then she gon' I end up walking. Look, so we both separated. Okay, cool. I get and I pick up my wig. This when I started being this when I was freshly influenced and I was getting that money. You know what I'm saying? I still getting that money.
Y'all ain't got no motion. Get your big back ass out that bed. It's Saturday. Go cut that fucking yard.
Don't worry about me, ho. I still getting that money. But I had to grab my wig, and then her best friend gonna sit there and tell my son,
Fuck ass weed.
fuck ass wig. What you talking about? This a $300 wig.
Cocky.
Then plus on that I get $3 more $100.
Cocky.
To wear the wig, to put the shit on. Then I sell it.
Cocky.
One fit. Child, get the fuck out of my face. Get the fuck out of my face. Dumb, like what? So I get the wig, I get my stuff, and everybody just like, I'm like, okay, I get my stuff. I say, I'm cool. I leave my stuff, and I leave. Everybody still saying I leave. I get my car. So my car is parked in the front of the school, right? So I'm in there, and I called this one boy, the boy that I was talking to for the first time. I was so glad he didn't answer, because So then I called my friend Kim. Me and Kim been locked in since we lived. So like kindergarten type shit. I called her, and mind you, I'm in the car, I'm just yapping, I'm just going off. Mind you, I'm crying and I'm laughing, and this how I knew I was fucking crazy. I'm like,
Why these fucking bitches think they fucking with me, bro? Why they keep fucking with me?
like I was just so angry because like, why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Why?
It was no need for you to do that. Like, it was happening out of nowhere. Like, what? Like what? Is you cool, bro? Like, what? Like, it just happened out of nowhere. Nowhere, I promise you. So then, mind you, if you ain't was on YouTube looking up girl fights, I don't know what's, you not a real ass bitch. So, mind you, I know bitches like to open up doors. Mind you, I'm still there. I'm parked in front of the school, so yeah, I know bitches like to open up doors and shit. So I made sure my doors were locked. Y'all, my door was not locking at first. I'm like, if I'm gonna vent to my friend, I'll make sure I'm cool. Okay, cool. So then I'm checking my door. It won't lock it. Like I said, oh fuck no. So then I did it again. It locked. Okay, cool. This girl gonna come out. Mind you, her best friend little sister right there, this girl gonna come out and bang on my fucking door. Like, I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, bruh, okay, so she comes on and she's like, get out. I'm like, no, I already beat your ass. And I kept saying, I already beat your ass. Her best friend told me, so you
did not beat her ass.
yes, the fuck I did. Yes, the fuck. And we gonna get into that. We gonna get into that later. She told my son, and mind you, I'm on the phone with my best friend. So then, she told my son, oh, you on the phone? Y'all, this the dumbest shit ever. She right here at the window. I cracked my window just so I can hear her bullshit. Matter of fact, I don't even think I cracked. Anyway, I can hear that bitch clear. So she see I'm on the phone. She told me something.
You on the phone with your daddy? That's weird.
I'm like, so This is what it's about. Like, what? Like, that don't make no sense. I'm on the phone with my daddy. What does that have to do with nothing? What does that have to do with anything? She's like, you on the phone with your daddy and this. I'm like, okay, cool. Like, that's why I just beat your ass. That's why I beat your ass. She kicking my car, y'all. She doing this. I'm like, all right, I'm about to go. I'm about to fucking go. I'm about to go. Because this hoe, and mind you, I would have got out if she had 2 people right there. But it's like, you got 2 people on your side, and I ain't got nobody with me. So, bitch, you tripping. I don't care if they not gonna swing or what, bitch. I don't know. Like, what? Alright, and I already beat your ass. Period. Yeah. Beat your ass. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I beat your ass, bitch. No problem. I don't give a fuck. This all for jokes and giggles. I hope you didn't believe that, but anyway, so then she kicking my car. Like, they say no, she in front of my car. I'm about to hit this bitch with my car. Swear to God, bro. Swear to God, bro. Swear to God. Swear to God, I'm about to hit the girl with my car, bro. I'm about to hit this hoe with my fucking car. So then, I put this bitch in reverse, and I drew the car like, move, bitch, like, move. Then that's when that hoe started to move, and then boom. So then I swear about, I'm about to look. So then I'm backing out, and I was about to drive around. Mind you, they started walking away. Now they walking away, and I was about to drive right and get out and. We was gonna fight again, but I was like, you know what? It ain't even worth it, because then I had to make the U-turn and just do all that. Y'all might be in the school parking lot. So then, you know, I ended up going home. You know? I'm still on the phone with my friend, and then I'm like, bruh, it's just like I'm laughing, like my emotions is everywhere. I'm just like, like why these bitches sleep? Like, you know what I'm saying? Still, so then I pull up to my house. I get out the car. I look. Y'all, no wig. The wig is in my hand. No wig, like everything. I didn't like grab none of my stuff out the car. I just got out the car. I opened up the door. My dad was sitting on the couch. I said, yeah. I said, yeah, and I beat her up. I said, and I beat her up. I said, I came to the door. I said, and I beat her up. Cause if you don't know, like in high school, these girls had gave like she wasn't the one that gave me a hard time. But it was just like a build up of shit. Like, these girls gave me a hard, like, it was like a whole group of them, and they just gave me a hard time, like, growing up in high school, playing up at the same team. We gonna get into that. If you don't want that story time, I'll fix something. I'll fix something if you really rock with me. So then, I told my dad, like, my dad smiled. He said, what? And I said, Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, I beat her up. My dad said, huh? I said, Coca-Cola. I beat her up, bro. I beat her up. My dad like, yeah. My dad like, yeah. My mom told my son, you know we do not do violence like that. So then I gave him a whole rundown. My coach called my phone. He asked, he said, you good? He said, look, I promise you this is exactly how it went. He told something, you good? I said, am I good? You need to make sure she good. Like, what the fuck? I said, you need to make sure she good. Like, what the fuck? So then, mind you, y'all, and this little, I'm sorry, I promise you, this me being messy, and I really hate to be messy, but you know you got beat up with a man who broke the fight said you got beat up. And then everybody saying this your second time getting beat up.
Yes, bitch, yes. Yes, bitch, yes. Yes, bitch, yes. Yes.
Mind you, no cap, no tea, no shade. I thought I was gonna get my ass beat. The way that girl just, like, she talk a good game, but I done found out what was up for real, you know? Anyway, I thought I was gonna get my ass beat. Like, I'm nice. I thought I was gonna lose. Girl. Like, I had so much faith in you to be my ass, but yeah. So then after that, like, it was cool. Like, she was banned from the gym. Like, all her friends, everybody that was cool with her, talking about something, she didn't get beat up. Then, look. Then, like, they told her it was a tie or something. She ain't hit me not once. I'm literally on top of the bitch. Boom, 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 boom. I'm on top of her. Boom, 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 boom. Like, what? You know? Anywho, and if the bitch watching this video, no, I don't want to run it back, cause what? Girl, go get a job. Leave me alone, bruh. Like, And no tea, no shade, no tea, no shade, no tea, no shade. But yeah. And then that's pretty much it. Like, yeah, that was it. She got her ass tore up. Now I ain't gonna say she got her ass tore up, but she did lose. She did lose. You know what I'm saying? She did lose. I could have did so much more, but I didn't. Well, y'all, that concludes this video. If you like me and you like my vibe, if you stay to the end of this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, do something, fuck with your girl. Like, I'm the realest bitch ever. I'm the realest bitch y'all ever gonna meet. Period. So yeah, stay tuned, y'all.
We from megalookhair. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Link in bio.